Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This is the beginning of Asura's life. Pravritti and Nivrtti. Pravritti means what is called incentive, which makes her, there is a grain of sugar, and the ant knows there is a grain of sugar, he is running after it. That is pravritti. And Nivrtti means I have passed my life in this way, but it is not actually my progress of life. I should stop this way of life. I should go to the spiritual realization. That is Nivrtti marge. There are two ways, pravritti and nivrtti. Pravritti means we are going to the darkest region. Adanta gobhi visatang tamasa. Because we cannot control our senses, adanta means uncontrolled, and go means senses. Adanta gobhi visatang tamasa. Just like we see varieties of light, so there is life also in the hell, tamisha. So, either you go to the hellish condition of life, or you go to the path of liberation. Both ways are open to you. So, if you go to the hellish condition of life, that is called pravritti marga, and if you go towards the path of liberation, that is nivrtti marga. This Krishna consciousness movement is training of nivrtti marga. The basic principle, so many knows. No means nivrtti. No illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication. So this is the no path. So that they do not know. When we say so many no's, they think it is brainwash. Not brainwash. It is actual. If you want to develop your spiritual life, then you have to stop so many nuisance. That is nivrtti marga. The usuras, they do not know. Because they do not know, when nivrtti marga, no, the path of no is recommended, they become angry. They become angry. Murkhaya upadesha hi prakopayana santa. Vayapanam bhujammanam kevalam visavardhanam. Those are rascals, fools. If you speak something valuable for his life, he will not hear it. He will become angry. The example is given, Vayapanam bhujanganam kevalam visavardhanam. Just like if a snake, if you ask the snake that I shall give you daily a cup of milk, do not commit this harmful life, biting unnecessarily. You come here, take a cup of milk and live peacefully. That he will not be able. He, by drinking that cup of milk, his poison will increase. And as soon as the poison is increased, it is also another itching sensation. He wants to bite. He will bite. So the result will be Payapanam Bhujanganam Kevala Visabha. The more they starve, that is good for them, because the poison will not increase. The nature's law is there. And as soon as one sees a snake, immediately everyone becomes alert to kill the snake. And by nature's law, it is said, even a great saintly person, he does not lament when a snake is killed. Modeta sadhurapi sarpa vistika sarpa hatya. Prahlad Maharaj said, when his father was killed and Nrsimhadev was still angry, so he pacified Lord Nrsimha, said, now you can give up your anger, because nobody is unhappy on account of my father being killed. Means I am also not unhappy. I am also happy. Because my father was just like a snake and a scorpion. So, even a great saintly person is happy when a scorpion or a snake is killed. They are not happy if somebody is killed. Even an ant is killed, a saintly person is unhappy. But a saintly person, when he sees that a snake is killed, he is happy. He is happy. So, we should not follow the life of a snake, pravritti marga. Human life is meant on nimitti marga. We have got so many bad habits. To give up these bad habits, that is human life. If we cannot do that, then we are not making any spiritual progress of life. Spiritual progress, so long you will have a little desire for committing sinful life for your sense gratification, you will have to accept a next body. And as soon as you accept a material body, then you will suffer.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.